Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make sweet and sour chicken and sauce. Sweet and sour is a traditional Chinese sauce that you'll find in this country made with vinegar, brown sugar, and pineapple juice. First, we're going to take our chicken and dredge it into a tempura batter and fry it. Once it's done, we'll put it onto a paper towel to absorb any extra oil. Next, for our sweet and sour sauce, we'll start by adding 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 1/4 cup of chicken stock. We'll bring this to a slight boil. While it's cooking, we'll take 4 teaspoons of cornstarch and mix it with 4 teaspoons of water. Once our sauce is hot, we'll slowly incorporate in our cornstarch to thicken. Next, we'll take our wok and we'll start sauteing some red and green bell peppers, some onions, and some pineapple. Then we'll throw in our cooked chicken, heat this for a few minutes, and then add our sauce. And there you have it, how to make sweet and sour chicken with sauce.